Heaps of uncollected refuse continue to tarnish the beauty of Katsina's capital city, posing a growing threat to public health. The mountain waste, which has become an eyesore, litters major streets, public spaces, roads and markets, largely due to inadequate waste bins and poor collection services. In Katsina, Trust TV's Abdullahi Yamadi explores the state of official waste management and the urgent need for action to save residents from an imminent environmental crisis. His report.
This wasn't an environmental hazard comes with serious health implications, including the risk of disease outbreaks and environmental pollution, ultimately damaging the city's reputation. Residents and visitors alike have continued to raise concerns over indiscriminate refuse dumping, as well as sand and other debris spilling on major roads in the state capital. Many blame the challenge on what they describe as official negligence in evacuating the waste. We have tried to prevent this waste from accumulating and decomposing by reporting the issue to authorities regularly. But sadly, nothing has been done. The stench from the rubbish is unbearable. We are pleading with the State Environmental Agency to act quickly. It is difficult for us to address this on our own because we lack the facilities. All we can do is try to dispose of our waste properly. But the situation is really disturbing. The stench from decomposing refuse fills the air, while stray animals and scavengers roam freely around dump sites. Katsina, once regarded as one of the most organized and cleanest cities in northern Nigeria, has now become a visual and environmental nightmare for many. From Ahmadu Bello Way to Nagogo Road, through IBB Way up to Yamadi Road, heaps of waste dominate the landscape with little or no government intervention to remove them.
When this government of Malanduk Umar came on board, it met the agency with some daunting challenges, such as lack of adequate equipment for refuse evacuation. But God so kind, the governor was able to listen to our issues and was able to rehabilitate about 21 number of trucks. So, and with the ongoing developmental activities such as road expansions and then urbanization, population increase in the state capital, our equipment and resources are overstretched.
Several residents who lamented the situation said they have repeatedly reported to the authorities, but nothing has changed.
First of all, the issue of environmental pollution in Nigeria generally, and maybe in this part of the country, can be said to be one of the very, very disturbing situations we find ourselves. Maybe, in my simple opinion, owing to some factors, among which are the issue of our attitudes as individuals or as Nigerians to personal hygiene and environmental hygiene. In most cases, you find that people only respect themselves by trying to keep themselves neat. But when you get closer to the environment, you find that the environment is actually unkept and very, very filthy.
Public health experts warn that the consequences of poor waste management go beyond aesthetics, as exposure to polluted air and unhygienic surroundings can lead to respiratory and other illnesses. With the city's population expanding, daily waste generation has risen significantly, overwhelming existing evacuation systems. Experts recommend consistent public awareness campaigns, stronger community participation, and the involvement of credible private companies in waste collection, stressing that residents deserve a cleaner, safer, and more habitable city. Abdullahi is Yamadi, Trust Television News, Katsina.